Happy Monday, 7th graders. What a beautiful Sunday we were given. And now God gave us this Monday. What a gift. Let's use it wisely. We can do it, Chargers. All right. Right away on Monday, I'm giving you this announcement. On Friday, we are going to have a map quiz. We have been studying the physical geography of Central America and the Caribbean. So on Friday, we're going to have a map quiz on the 7 countries of Central America and 9 of the Caribbean countries. So what I want you to start thinking about is when on Friday you would like to take your quiz, because we're going to do it over Google Meet. And I'll explain how that's all going to work later. But for now, you got to kind of think of when you would like to take the test on Friday. So let's get into today's to-do list. There is an attached document and has 3 activities for you to complete for today. So let's launch Monday's assignment here. Okay. So the very first thing that you're going to do is you are going to select a time that you'd like to take Friday's quiz. Would you like to take it at 9:30? Those of you that are early risers and you want to get it done. 10:30, 11:30, or 12:30. So give me your first and second choice of when you'd like to take the map quiz. List any time slots that don't work. And maybe this will be blank for you, but if you know you have something that you need, that you like, I cannot have it at 9:30 because whatever, my brother practices his tuba at that time, whatever. But this could be blank, and any other comments that you have about Friday's quiz. So let me know when you'd like to take the quiz on Friday. I will give you more details about that as we get closer to Friday, but at least let's get your time slot figured out. Next, what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to spend 15 to 20 minutes starting to prepare for your map quiz. We're going to study a little bit every day, so I'd like you to take 15 to 20 minutes today to begin studying. I'd like you to start by just looking at the study guides that I've attached to your to-do list, okay? So on your to-do list, I have the Central American Study Guide and the Caribbean Study Guide. So you're going to just take a look at each one of these maps and just start to memorize, find different ways to remember what country goes where. And I can give you some little hints as the week goes on, but begin studying those 2 maps. Once you've studied a little bit, again, you don't have to know it perfectly. Here is the online Cetera map online game for Central America. So pin it for a while and then place the label for a while and give me your best times for those. Then move into the Caribbean. Here's the deal. This link has 24 countries and territories listed. We are not studying all 24. We are only studying these 9. So you need to create a custom quiz, and I have all the steps of how to do that. But when you launch the website here, you are going to click right here where it says Create Custom Quiz. Okay, so we're going to create the custom quiz. And then I'm going to only leave the ones checked that are on our thing. So I'm just going to pretend that I've done that all already. Okay, then the third step is to give your quiz a title. I'm just going to call it the Caribbean Quiz. Scroll down. Again, these are all listed in your assignment. Hit Create Quiz. And it's generating a quiz with just those particular countries on there. And then you'll hit play. And then your custom quiz has been created. Okay? So go ahead and play the Caribbean online game. So spend about 20 minutes this morning studying for your map quiz. And then finally, we're going to keep moving along as we watch these videos and learn about the Caribbean a little bit more. We've done the Lucayan archipelago, the Bahamas, Bermuda, and Turks and Caicos. We did the Greater Antilles last week. Now we're going to do the end of the Greater Antilles and into the Lesser Antilles here and look at Puerto Rico and the U.S. Virgin Islands. So here's your link, username and password, and then fill in these video notes as you go and hit submit. All right. So pick the time slot you'd like to take your quiz on Friday. Remember, map quiz on Friday. Spend time with those filled out study guides and the online games to start preparing. And then watch the video about Puerto Rico and the U.S. Virgin Islands. All right. Make it a great day, Chargers. Contact me with questions. All my contact information is on the to-do list. Let's do it. We got it.